In this lesson, I explain the different data types used in our report and how Excel interprets each column. Starting on the left side, we begin with the ID column. This is an integer type, a whole number that Excel reads simply as a numerical identifier without any decimals. Next, we move to the transaction date column, which represents the date type. These are actual calendar dates, and Excel stores them as date values, allowing sorting, calculations, and time-based analysis. We then move on to the department column. This is a string type, meaning plain text. These are department names, and Excel treats them as text values that cannot be used for mathematical calculations, but can be sorted, filtered, and categorized. After that, we look at the numerical financial columns: revenue, expenses, and profit. These are all numeric values that Excel interprets as float or currency types, depending on formatting. They contain decimal values and can be used for calculations, aggregations, and comparisons across the dataset. Next, we have the is-approved column, which is a Boolean type. This is a simple logical value that can only be true or false, and it is often used for validations, filtering, approvals, or conditional logic. The final column is currency value, which also contains numeric values stored as a float type. These are decimal numbers that Excel handles as standard numerical values used in formulas or conversions. To sum up this part of the lesson, each column in the report uses a specific data type: integers, dates, text, financial numbers, floating point values, or logical true/false values. Understanding these data types is essential when working with Excel because it ensures that formulas, macros, and automation behave correctly.